Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to cancel your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. This can be done both on your mobile device, your phone, or on desktop over on your computer. I'm going to show you on mobile. So basically what you're going to want to do is open up a new browser tab. So as you can see, I have Safari, which is my browser of choice on my iPhone, and make sure you're signed in and go to Amazon.com. So go to the browser bar here and just type in Amazon.com. So go to Amazon.com like you see there. Once you're here, you want to tap on your username there at the upper portion of the screen where you see my name and the profile image. Just tap on that. And then you want to scroll down to where you see your account, and you want to go to your memberships and subscriptions, which is middle way down the screen there. Tap on your memberships and subscriptions. And then once you're here, you're going to see a list of things that you're subscribed to. So for me, it's Amazon Prime and Amazon Music Unlimited. It'll let you know the payment method of choice, and then it'll have a button there below the subscription that says Cancel Subscription. You just need to tap on Cancel Subscription like I'm doing here. It'll then let you know what your plan is. Would you like to convert it to something else? And then you go to Continue to Cancel like that there. And then it should automatically say, are you sure? And then you want to confirm. So there's 3 taps that you have to do, or 3 clicks on a computer. And then they have a little kind of feedback forum here where you can give them feedback as to why you're doing it. You can just scroll to the bottom. And then lastly, it'll take you to your Amazon Music settings after this, trying to, again, upsell you to resubscribe. But if you scroll down, you should see this option here where it says subscription renewal. It says on July, whatever the date is, your unlimited subscription will not continue. So just make sure that it says that, and you are good to go. And lastly, if you go back to your subscriptions and memberships here, the previous page, you should be able to scroll down just to confirm where it says Amazon Music Unlimited right there. You should be able to scroll down to where you see with Prime discount, it ends on July 23rd, letting you know that that's when that's going to cancel. So that's it. That's how you cancel Amazon Music Unlimited. If you have any questions, put them in the comments section. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.